Sticky change. Nasty. But what I want to talk to you about today is not this kind of change, but this kind. How to make positive, lasting change that sticks. Whether that's a diet, whether that's a habit, or whether that's an addiction you've struggled with all your life, there are certain tools, tips, techniques, and science that will drastically increase the chances of being successful. And in this video series, I want to share what I have learned with you. Hey everyone, this is Heinrich Stander, owner and founder of Rocket Fueled Futures and author of Rocket Fueled for Careers, Mastering the Skills Guaranteed to Advance Your Career and Change Your Life. Well, Happy New Year! Here we are in 2021. Today happens to be January the 14th, and I'm not sure if you're aware, but on the 17th is what they call National New Year's Resolution Ditch Day, which is when most people give up on their New Year's resolutions. And I find it kind of sad that for most of us, we can't make change stick for longer than 17 days. And so that is why I wanted to share with you this video series on some of the skills and techniques that I have learned on how to make positive, lasting change that sticks. Hopefully you'll find this information helpful, not just to stick to your New Year's resolutions, but to learn the fundamental principles for making positive, lasting life change. So stick with me, and I promise I'll stop with the puns. This is Heinrich Stander, and I will see you in the next video.